Construction sites are intense, but compact machinery is getting smarter about safety. New features like rollover protection systems, 360-degree cameras, and collision detection are game changers. They've transformed safety from hope for the best to active protection. These aren't just fancy add-ons, they're lifesavers. If you're looking to upgrade your equipment with top-notch safety tech, check out Typhon Machinery. They've got what you need to keep your crew safe and projects running smoothly.